Hello friends, this is Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing, as you can see, from Mountain Crest Gardens, and this is the January Ultimate Succulent Club box. So let's see what they sent me this month. So as we open up the box, I've got a little brush here. And with the Ultimate Succulent Club, they always send you cards for the succulents that they've sent you. And it gives you a suggestion here. These are suggested to be planted in a terrarium. So it gives you a suggestion there and what to use, the layers in the terrarium. As you know, with a terrarium, there's no drainage holes, so you have to take certain steps to ensure that there's good drainage as far as down to the bottom of the bowl, and also not watering too much. So it looks like we've got some rainbow bush, elephant's bush, an echeveria, I think these are tiger's jaws is what this one's called, and a jade. So let's take a look inside. A little bit loose dirt. There's my invoice. Remember, these packing peanuts are water soluble, so you can dissolve them or even use them inside of another container to take up space. Okay, so they sent them in plastic containers. So if you don't have a terrarium, you can plant them up in this 6-inch plastic container. I'll just get some of the... I'll use this brush here to clean them up. Here's the jade. Here, and it gives you the information on this is the baby jade, Crest, and it gives you information on where it does the best. So that's really good. Again, the soil is dry, just fine. I'm going to be watering these, give them a little bit of water before I pot them up. And here we have the Echeveria minima. Just some of that dirt on there. Otherwise, it's in really good shape. Look at the little red tips on that against that blue hue of the leaves. It's beautiful. And here we have the Fucaria paucidens, which again, it's the tiger jaws, I believe. And you can see why they call it the tiger jaws. See the little spokes there that look like little teeth. And finally, the variegated rainbow bush, Portucara afro variegated. Needs a little bit of water. It looks like the leaves are a little bit shriveled. So it could do with some watering. Again, they've sent this 6-inch plastic container, so if you don't have a terrarium like they show here where you have it easily available to pot it up, you can temporarily put them in this until the springtime perhaps, and then pot it up then, or until you get a terrarium. Okay, so I have them all potted up in the 6-inch pot that they sent me, and I think they look really nice together. I think it's a wonderful combination that they selected. I've got all my cards here that I'm going to put actually with the other cards that I have, so I will always have available information on how to take care of these specific specimens. But again, we have the Echeveria minima right here, the Portucara afro variegated, the Tiger Jaws, and the Baby Jade Crassulobata. And I just put them in some cactus soil mixed in with some perlite, so it's nice and aerated and well draining. And I topped it off with some top dressing of some white gravel. This is actually from a fish tank, so I think it looks really nice. And this will be a temporary home for them until I do think that I am going to get a little terrarium like this. You can probably get this at Dollar Tree for $1, and do a little terrarium with them maybe in the springtime. I've got a nice little brush with it also. So that is the January box of the Ultimate Succulent Club from Mountain Crest Gardens. Again, if you want to order it for the first time, there is a discount code for $5 off down in the description box that you can use for your very first order. But this is a great way to start off your collection too. They change out the selections every month, so sometimes it'll be all Echeverias or all cacti. That was my first one, was all cacti, and this was a mixture, and they give you a suggestion on how to display it also, so it's really nice to have. That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video. I just got them in the mail today, and I wanted to get them out of the box and in a pot and watered. So thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give this video a thumbs up and a like. And if you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're always sure to get my notifications of when I have a video up. Usually post at least once a week, if not twice a week. I've got some field trip editions coming up of Come Shop With Me's. Looking at going to the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix and also down to Tucson for a nursery tour down in Tucson, so that should be fun. And so subscribe, you don't want to miss those. Thanks so much for joining me today, friends. Have a blessed day.